Hello, my name is Waseem Nasr, and I am a postdoc researcher here at Cincinnati Children's Hospital with Professor Marie Dominique Filippi. And we are looking for undergrad student to join our lab for short-term training. In our lab, we study how inflammation affects the development of bone marrow failure, myelodysplastic syndrome, and acute myeloid leukemia. These are serious blood disorders, and our goal is to understand how inflammation changes the behavior of blood cells, stem cells. As a part of this experience, the student will get trained on flow cytometry techniques, which is a very powerful technique to characterize bone marrow cells, blood cells, and to understand our research questions. The commitment of the student, we are looking for a student that's able to work 4 hours per day for 2 days per week. And I'll be very glad to receive your application and working closely with you to help patients community and also the research here in US and globally. Thank you very much.